Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel, Geeky Fussy. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone are good. Today, I'm going to unbox the Fireboltt Dazzle, another smartwatch from the sea of smartwatches, which is getting launched in India under 2000 rupees. So let's unbox it. Let's have a review for it, and there will be a competition which I will give away this to watch to know how. Watch the video till the end. So let's begin the unboxing. And before I start, I have been noticing that the previous video of the noise Colorfit smartwatch, the Plus Grand one, which I had unboxed it on the Instagram platform, I think hardly anyone has commented, or maybe they are not interested in taking part in an Instagram platform, I suppose. What do you feel? Just mention in the comment. If you want that giveaway to be done in the YouTube channel itself, do mention in the comment, and then maybe both the smartwatches in one video I will do the giveaway. So let's start. And before I start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like my video, share it, subscribe it, and do hit the bell notification so that once I upload a video, you will get your notification. So let's begin. So guys, here we have the Fireboltt Dazzle. As you can see, the great Virat Kohli is on the front pic. As you can see, this is oh my god, the MRP is written 9,999 rupees. But don't worry, the watch is priced less than 2,000 rupees. I don't know why these companies have to exaggerate the MRP on the box. If you see closely, you'll see that this is also, it too has the 60 plus sports mode, camera control with update, music control, and all the features are listed on this. You do have a special highlight: SpO2 monitoring, heart tracking, smart notifications, sleep monitoring, and a 1.69-inch full-inch touch display with a 24 into 280 resolution, 60 plus sports mode, and an IP68 water resistant. So let's unbox it. So here comes my knife. Okay, why am I fighting with this? On the top, oh my god, I thought the watch is missing. You can see that its user manual is there. You know, it just gave me a shock of my life. This is how they've placed the watch in. The color which I have gone, it's blue color. You do have several options. You do have the Poco pin cable. Apart from that, register for a 1-year warranty. You have a free 3 months Ghana subscription. Enjoy latest music all in one place. What is this? Okay, this is the exclusive Bold Play app membership. You do have a free Book My voucher. So that's it. It is weird that the packing, it did not place the watch like this. Strange. Or is it a repack device? Not sure. So as you can see on the going over the display, it's a 1.69-inch display. It do have the brush metal aluminium finish type, but looks like plastic. All the sensors are available along with the charging. And the watch also on the strap, you can see it's Firebolt mentioned. I will set up the watch and then we will continue with the review for the watch. I will use it for a couple of days and give you my final verdict on the device. As you can see, this is a 22 strap. You have easy to change. Actually, this was much more easier to remove compared to the last watch which I used. That is the noise Colorfit. So this, what is happening in the noise one? This is much embedded inside the strap. Decent quality strap, and you can see on the buckle it is mentioned Firebolt. It's a good finish design. You do have the aluminum feel on the side, but the back is plastic with all the sensors and the charging dock. On the crown it is simple, unlike the noise which had its logo. So let's boot up and pair the device. Probably there is no charge. I will charge and see you soon. Okay, so I've installed the app and already have paired it with the device. As you can see, you have several options. You can change the faces of the watch, and this is quick, unlike the noise which is taking some time, but I'll have to download and see. Apart from that, you have notifications which you can set, whether for the phone call and give the permissions. Now, what does it needs? I've given all the permission. You can write WhatsApp, enable. Okay, so you have to give this permissions for the watch. So here we can set as it is. Then you have the shutter options where the watch will act as a shutter. You just click on this. Oops, why it's not happening? Okay, timer started, and that's a strange noise. Then you have the upgrade option. It will check for software updates. On the side, you have the profile goal. You have uh, synchronization. You can with the Google Fit also, so it's a good thing. Here it will show you all the data, the steps, your sleep, heart rate. Now currently I've just set the watch, so I will do show the display later. And that's it. You can see that there are several options in the watch. If you slide down, you have the quick toggles where you can adjust the brightness of the screen, whether on vibrating, you have to switch it off or on. You can see the temperature. You have the settings shortcut. In the settings, you do have several options like the stopwatch, alarm, countdown, brightness, vibrator on, reset, power off, about. And to download the app, you have the app QR code. Change the wallpaper, you just press on the watch face and you can select whichever you want and just tap it and it will get set. You have this style of menu also. You can see that it's a nice touch. It's smooth the operation. So you can see you have several options like the step counter, you have the sleep mode, you have the heart rate sensor, it is showing 80 beats per minute, and you have the SpO2, the exercise mode, you have the temp weather, shutter, player, and if you swipe on the left you can see there's this type of menu also available, which looks nice. When you have this normal menu, if you go to the settings, you have the stopwatch, alarm, countdown, timer, brightness, vibration on, theater mode. To change the wallpaper, you just press on this, and you can see there's several pre-installed watches. This one is the downloaded one, others are all pre-installed, and you just press on this and it's set. Here we come to the end of the video. My observations after using it for a couple of days, in fact, more than a week, I would say. I've noticed that there is some issue with the battery calibration in this device. The battery used to jump, from around 45-50% to 0% within half a day. So there is some calibration issue, or maybe the unit is defective, which is yet to be confirmed, because I will be sending this back to India to get it checked from the service center. Apart from that, there is nothing much to complain about the watch. It's a decent watch. The build quality is of good quality. Another thing, the wallpaper collection is very limited, and it's not even organized. Like, suppose if you're looking for a particular digital mode, or a scenery, it should be organized in category wise, like how the color fit, how the noise have arranged it. And I've even seen other companies arranging it as per the requirement, which is easy for you to search. Certain things needs to be rectified, and what I feel is, instead of paying too much to the brand ambassador, they could have spent this money more wisely in the research and development and make the product more better, which would have been boon. Other than that, the accuracy of the readings for the heart rate sensor, the SpO2, I felt it's accurate, but do not rely on it for your medical purposes. It's just for only for use it for your reference purpose. So that's it, guys. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like my video, share it. And I'm going to give away this watch also as a giveaway. For that, I will update in the description. You can just have a look in the description on how to participate in the giveaway. So guys, take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care.